to militias.
On top right is Cattanker. On south is Noxtradamus. And the top left one is Igor. And the top left one is a Max. This map is so dark. Starting by voice and CV off. Max rush is a pill which he will get retaliated to the spiral. Spiral is quite good at AoE. Good at defense. Oh, we tried to NG Russian, but it didn't work. Igor is still pretty slow. Yep. Just say Noctis pretty decent. Look at the space placement based structures. Check this wrong, I guess. You might get gems here first. But I don't know. I don't know about that. Nox, go to the cat base. Max try to rush Cattanker. You can rush again those blob of pyros. To be fair, I think this pyro is very effective. But I don't know. He gets black track. No, you don't need a crit effect. You can just ball out of shit off this discipline. Yes, you get a ball. Igors did not get anything. Oh, that one. That one will not help him. Nox gets his first 2 tanks. And no, that wasn't. First anti-vehicles stuff. Cat decide to sleep again instead of get sleeping. He get singing bass, but just not reactor. Weird choice. Should get an ore refinery. I always feel Flyer is doing too much, but meh. Oh. Is that a bowler? Weird. It's a Vogue gunship. Oh, not getting raked. Wow. need to get it at the air. I hate getting voila. Is Max get a scrubber? So okay, he can just 1v3. Scrap healing is really strong.
Lag?
Yes, it's lagging. I didn't open the mic, so cause I don't want them to know what I'm speaking. So I can do a cast freely. But whatever. Get rush. They're too efficient. Get rush again. Up the wall factory. But to be honest, I don't think we want that frameless. We want a bunker as well. To be honest, I think. But whatever. Flameless may do it though. Because if you get a flamer, if you lose it by tank, you're gonna lose it. But if you have bunker, you will have a something inside. It's good. This is usable. Too bad you just need to wait and get scram it.
I attack now.
Oh, the taunt. Cat don't have anything but 2 winners now. His economy is bust. Wow, actually Igor is doing something. He may win this fight. No, he's get some Tesla trooper. Maybe he's trying to flank us out. Max says his stuff. I don't know how much Max have knowledge about this game. I know about Cat, he's know a lot. Cyber Cat and River. Pretty bust. Remnant. For the mid game. Pretty bust. This is only tier 2, like, it's already good. Should not idle here, should just push them. Also get a jet. The jet is on Empire is very good. You can dispel enemy army. What is happening? I don't even look at it. Scatter shot, kill them. Scatter shot should be more inaccurate. Oh no, catches run. He can't run. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. I gotta do take up. But meh, it's not gonna help. Get J3 up now. I should update my guide, to be honest, but I don't have raw strat, so that's a bad thing. Cat desperately run, but it doesn't matter, he's pretty broke at this point. We lose pretty badly. Where did I go? Troop go? I'm seeing him. Where did his troop go? Where's his troop goes anyway? Oh, you need a jet, man. You need jets. Good jet is good. Royal spam. Yeah, that's what you do when you sleep on a teammate. Yeah, done. Scrap maker, okay. Oh, it's Scrap Academy. I read wrong. You don't even need it, you just need fucking lash and ATV. You have this bullshit. He didn't run until did it. Really. This guy needs to get more miners. What does this thing do anyway? I never use it and it only lash. Oh, the auto heal is pretty bust. He's starting blocking to get something, but I recommend it. Just QI go. He don't have anything left. And Noxtradamus broke because his neck is getting reached at 12k. His goal is broke. He only got 1k. Still thinking about this counter Yuri. I remember this game. I mean, Remnant is pretty strong. They got everything. I mean, I'll have reading, ATV, Lasher. It's not my it's gonna be strong. One of the business is they don't have video number, but yeah, this one is pretty fast. I already told River, so we will change that anyway. Why you do to go? Zero damage.
Oh no.
Fallout time. They didn't do damage. There's no scrap, there's no something to that.
Max won this. That much is obvious. He has the biggest army, the most map control, the most money. I can't jump out against him. His army is too huge. Can't engage that.
Remnant is broken. They have scrap metal healing. They're here inside a combat
So
too.
then our target is survive the biggest time we can.
Like, my only hope is to wipe out his army with my super weapon.
He's turning back. He has the land and a legion though. That thing is a bit tall but have very long range. You don't get an airfield. That thing's Dragon Wing is very good for locking down.
Yeah, I clearly lost this. Can't engage that shit.
You can get airfield helps the Dragon Wing. You can lock him from attacking.
Just I didn't scout it half of map. So I didn't saw the most of the fun. And that's cringe.
You can attack Max base. He don't have anything at his base. If you still want to win, Max don't have anything at his base.
Yeah, didn't get to fire that. And with this I lose.
Okay, now hell really starts.
Hive mind layers are just damn.
Damn.
Like they block unit movement, they eat shots, and they deal pretty scary damage. Really dangerous.
Okay. Those